Most people get this wrong. They assume Flash Split is just another payday or buy now pay later app. But the surprising truth in 2026 is that it combines early wage access split payment options and budgeting tools into one easy-use platform. When used correctly, it can help manage short-term expenses without leading to long-term debt. Here's how Flash Split works. The app allows you to access a portion of your earned wages before payday, often within hours. Eligible purchases can also be divided into smaller payments over a few weeks. Instead of traditional interest, Flash Split charges a flat, predictable fee per transaction or advance. Flash Split also includes optional features like spinning dashboards, repayment alerts, and notifications to help you track your cash flow and stay on top of your budget. The downside, overuse can get expensive. Frequent advances or missed payments quickly add up, and relying too much on the app may hide underlying budgeting issues. Tips for responsible use. 1. Only access funds you can repay on time. 2. Use reminders or push notifications to avoid missed payments. 3. Keep a small emergency fund to reduce dependence on advances. Who should use Flash Split? People with a stable income who occasionally need short-term cash or want help managing bigger purchases. If your income is unpredictable or repayment discipline is weak, Flash Split may cost more than it saves. In conclusion, Flash Split in 2026 is a convenient financial tool, but only when used responsibly. Track your fees, plan repayments, and treat it as a temporary solution. Subscribe for more practical reviews and tips to manage your money smarter.